Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to Askani group of companies. Today I bring Pariza Swiss digital printed embroidery collection by Arham Textile 3-piece suits. Product details are digital printed Swiss with heavy embroidery neck or front shirt, Dupatta digital printed chiffon, dyed cotton trouser, very attractive fancy box packing with INLAY card. For order, kindly visit our website www.askanigroup.com or you can order us through our social media links. Links are in description box. For more interesting updates and offers, follow our social media links. If you are new in our channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button. Thank you.